नबी के दीवाने मस्ते होंगे नबी के
Now I request one of the esteemed guests of today's program, Janab Abid Akhtar Saab, please come on the dais and have some words before the audience.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to thank to all the audience and the organizing committee, Al Badr Educations, and all the audience, and the special our today the President Maulana Shah Saab and Maulana Rafiq Saab, and also the founder member Maulana Shadul Haq Saab. And there are all Maulanas and there are all responsible people who are gathering for this competition program of English. No doubt, today's English is the most valuable and speaking language all the world. Everyone need this education to in our life, our economical life, social life, in everything, every place. Today our madrasas students are targeting that bad elements. They are saying that we are fundamentalists. You have no knowledge of their modern. I think what is modern language? If you become naked, that's kind of modern. We don't realize that this is modern. We have to advance. We have to achieve advanced technique who all today the world is using. And alhamdulillah, I am the first evidence of this educational program. When Al Badr Education, this before 3 months, I am the evidence of that program, and I appreciate that all these students today they are sitting here only less than 90 days. They speak so fluently and fine English that I want to give them some claps and also appreciate them that you are all the future of this move. And all these the ulmas, when ulmas speak in English, when ulama speaks in English, they who are the enemy of our societies, they will shock. They will surprise less, but they will surprise more. How these ulmas and these beard faces are speaking in English here. English is nothing. It is only like a language that we are speaking English. You can also speak in English, but they make us so puzzled that we can't do this. And today Allah ka shukr that all these Maulanas and also they are speaking so well done, so well that if they will listen, they will not surprise, they will shock. And we have a glorious history of this Islam. We are a scholar of Islam and follower of Islam. If you will go in past, many such things our Muslim scholars and our scientists here that they done very well for and give whole society a message and all product that you cannot recognize that. But unfortunately, we have what we say that I have not some language or that how I explain you. We have to go our past and we can go on our past, and after realize that our past, we can go in our future. So I am shortlisting my language and my speech because there is a lack of time, and I also thanks again that all these audience and all these scholars and all the responsible person for this society and management committee that for this good job. Thank you.